My school name is JLP Primary School, Wamori Station. Good morning, everyone. Respected chief guests, principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. I feel great pride to present this speech. This day is the most important day for all of us because on this day in 1947 we got independence from the British rule. Friends, our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Nehru, Lokmanya Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, and many others. Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmi Bai, and many others devoted their entire life for the independence of our country. Today we are fortunate that we are born in an independent country and we have our fundamental rights. Our freedom is priceless and brave soldiers fight continuously and borders to protect our country. Friends, we all know and no nation is perfect. It needs to be made perfect. So it is our responsibility is sincerely perform our duty and progress together for the growth and development of our country. I love my